Hey everyone, it's your man Mark, coming at you live from Dubrovnik. All right, maybe not live, but you know what I mean. We're talking about Dubrovnik, Croatia today, and more specifically, how to get to the top of Mount SRD. This place is legendary. The views, the history, the vibes, it's off the charts. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. Now, I know what you're thinking. Getting up a mountain sounds like a drag. But hold your horses, because I've got count 'em, 4 easy ways to get you up there without breaking a sweat. Okay, maybe a sweat depending on which option you choose. We're talking cable cars, hiking trails, driving, even taxis. I've got you covered. So, buckle up, grab your water bottles, because we're about to dive headfirst into the adventure that is Mount SRD. First up, we've got the classic cable car experience. I'm talking glass-walled cabins soaring through the air, the whole shebang. Talk about an entrance, right? This is the way to go if you're all about that bird's-eye view. Seriously, the panorama of Dubrovnik's Old Town and the Adriatic? Jaw-dropping. Absolutely jaw-dropping. And the best part? This bad boy whisks you right up to the top in just a few minutes. That's right, no huffing and puffing, no aching muscles, just pure, unadulterated views and that sweet, sweet mountain air. Now, let's talk logistics. The cable car station is located just outside the Old Town walls. Easy to find, clearly marked. You can't miss it. They run pretty frequently, so you won't be waiting around forever. Just grab your ticket, hop in, and prepare for some serious Instagram-worthy moments. Trust me, your followers will thank you for this one. All right, adventurers, this one's for you. Feeling energetic? Hike up Mount SRD, connect with nature, and get your heart pumping. The trails are well maintained and clearly marked. You'll find plenty of fellow hikers along the way. The hike is a solid workout, but worth it. Take breaks, soak in the scenery, snap pics. The summit? Pure magic. Cruise control to the top, driving up Mount SRD. Sometimes you just want to take it easy, right? Maybe you'd rather save your energy for exploring the top. Driving is a totally valid option. And the best part? There's ample parking at the summit. Just park your car and enjoy the view. The road is well paved and there are signs along the way. Just be aware of some hairpin turns. If you're up for a scenic drive, this is a great way to get to the top. Chapter 4. Option 4. Effortless elegance. Taxi or Uber to the top. Alright, let's talk about the easiest and most convenient option of them all. Taking a taxi or Uber. Seriously, it's 2024. Why not embrace the ride-sharing life, right? This is perfect if you're short on time, or if you're just not feeling up to the hike or the drive. Plus, it's relatively affordable, especially if you're splitting the fare with friends. Just open up your app of choice, type in Mount SRD, and boom, you'll be whisked up to the top in no time. It's like magic, but with less wand waving and more GPS tracking. And the best part? You can sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery without having to worry about parking or navigating those winding mountain roads. Mount SRD, you won't regret it. And there you have it. 4 easy ways to conquer Mount SRD and experience those epic Dubrovnik views. Whether you're a cable car enthusiast, a hiking aficionado, a road tripping pro, or a ride-sharing devotee, there's an option for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, explore, and create some unforgettable memories. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to capture those Instagram-worthy moments. Tag me in your pics. I'd love to see your adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, adventure is out there. You just gotta grab it by the horns. And there you have it. 4 easy ways to get to Mount SRD in Dubrovnik. Whichever way you choose, you're in for an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you next time.